So what going Stone?
But those they are checking what going for your business.
Alright, well, have a seat. Where you drink?
You're a jagger.
Dragon for me stand my dance, man. Here a real drink. So tell me something. When last you see you?
Wow. This is really nice.
Yeah, I knew that like it.
Nice little highway.
One day is the way to go for your side.
Oh. So, you know when the wedding date is?
Wedding day. No, brother. Godmother says. Godmother says she don't want me right now.
Come on, Stone. You know she don't mean that.
This is extra. Thank you. Like, different.
Yeah, babe, so this is it. You know, the catering and the whole works. Remember the wedding planners I tell you about? They provide that also.
What me tell you about that something with the Gladstone?
Well, I know. Calm down. Alright? I'm just concerned about you taking on all of this by yourself. Remember, you know, you're a female that doesn't have many friends.
What you mean by that?
Come on, Jay. I mean, female friends. You don't have much female friends.
Me not have that from morning and now I even my love. I can deal with it.
So, what about the church sisters? You ever thought about asking any of them for help?
No. Well, Sister Paulette.
Yeah, Sister Paulette. She's a nice lady, you know.
Yeah, she cool.
Babe, on the topic of nice, you notice that Sister Nice didn't come to church from last week?
Really? How come I never noticed that?
Seriously, Jay? Or you not supposed to notice a nice didn't come to church?
What you mean? After I not come to church for notice Sister Note. I mean nicely. I come to church for praise the Lord. After I not come for notice she.
I tried to call her phone from the other day and you just...
For what?
What do you mean for? I'm concerned about her.
For what?
But Jay, remember that she's a church secretary? She not come and meeting from last week, you know?
So get her next secretary. Listen to me, Gladstone. A Sister Nice alone can do secretary work?
Jay, at least need to know about her.
You know what I not like with you now, Gladstone? Why when Sister Nice not come to church, you need to reach out to her to ask her why she not come to church? I know your job for do that. I'm tired to tell you that this is not a school. You're not a principal and Nice is not a picnic.